Magkatapos magbalik nung nakarang taon ang Limgas na Pangasinan mula sa COVID-19 pandemic, muling magbubukas ang Limgas na Pangasinan ngayong taon para sa mga binibining nais sungkitin ang corona. Pero ngayong taon, katuwang ng Pamahalaang Panlalawigan sa paghasa at pagpili sa mga kandidata ang tanyag na Philippine Pageant Training Camp na Aces and Queens. Noong February 16, nakipagpulong ang chairperson ng Limgas na Pangasinan 2024 na si Pangasinan First Lady Gico sa Aces and Queens.
So I'm very hands-on in this kasi I want na to protect the girls as well as to develop the industry, kumbaga na to have a continuous advocacy in this programs.
Siguro, what our group can promise is just to support everything na yung direction nyo. And hopefully, if we do our booth camp, na again, we invite the handlers during our orientation, in a way, mabigyan namin sila, ma-enlighten namin sila na maging open to these changes and to the goals that we would like to present.
Alok ng Aces and Queens ang iba't ibang mga kaalaman sa paghubog ng mga kandidata para sa pagsabak nila sa entablado.
Okay, Aces and Queens is a group of pageant experts and professionals who discover and train girls who want to become beauty queens. Our team has been together for about 22 years already, and we train girls from all walks of life, and we train them for free. It's part of our mission to train girls who want to become beauty queens but they don't have the resources.
Maliban sa kaalaman sa pagrampa at pagsagot, tututukan din ng Aces and Queens ang mental health ng mga kandidata sa kanilang personality development training.
Because we feel that the girls, before they compete in the national pageant, they should be very comfortable, may focus at walang distraction. We notice kasi, young as they are, sometimes meron silang psychological and emotional baggages which we draw out during the training. And also because we saw na meron stress and anxiety leading up to the pageant, sometimes they can...
Lalagda sa Memorandum of Agreement ang Aces and Queens at si First Lady Gico para sa Limgas na Pangasinan 2024. Kasama sa pagpupulong si Constantine Visperas, Consultant on Special Events, at Abes Soriano ng Provincial Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office. Charles Nicolimon para sa Luzon Headlines.